Well, we have a worrying development now from the Supreme Court of India, where there was a brief commotion in Chief Justice of India, Justice Gawai's courtroom number 1 today, as an aged lawyer tried to hurl a shoe at the Chief Justice of India, and while being whisked out by the Supreme Court security staff, he's alleged to have uttered a certain slogan saying "Sanatan ka apman nahi sahega Hindustan." That was what the man who allegedly hurled a shoe at the Chief Justice is known to have said. Justice Gawai, however, remained calm throughout and continued the hearing. The Supreme Court security wing has now confirmed this incident. That lawyer has been detained by the Delhi police. Let me go across to my colleague Harish, who will break down exactly what transpired. Harish, this is a very worrying development indeed. Tell us about what happened and what are the investigations or the action taken by the security wing now entailed in terms of the role played by this alleged lawyer. What exactly took place?
Yes, that's right, Siddharth. A brief commotion at the Chief Justice V.R. Gawai's courtroom number 1. The drama unfolded when the bench led by the Chief Justice was hearing a mentioning of cases by lawyers. Sources said the lawyer, an aged lawyer, went near the desk and attempted to remove his shoe and throw at the judge. However, security personnel present in the court intervened in time and escorted the lawyer out. Supreme Court security wing has confirmed the incident 2 times now. While being whisked out, the lawyer was heard saying, "Sanatan ka apman nahi sahenge." The Chief Justice remained unfazed and asked the lawyers present in the court to continue with their arguments. He said in open court, "Don't get distracted by all this. We are not distracted. These things do not affect me." Remember, Siddharth, the incident is being linked CJI Gawai's comments in a previous case related to restoration of a 7-foot beheaded idol of Lord Vishnu at Khajuraho. While dismissing the case, he had said, "Go and ask the deity itself to do something now."
Right.
You say you are a staunch...
But Harish, obviously, I mean, this is a clear case of somebody taking law into their own hands. Now, if somebody has a disagreement with the Chief Justice of India over oral observations made, one can have a debate, one can have an argument. But this is certainly no way to respond. Tell us about the likely follow-up action that can be now initiated against this lawyer for clearly what is a breach of security.
Yes, in fact, a very clear breach of security. In fact, now the lawyer has been detained and he's been seated inside. He's detained and is now sitting inside the DCP room of the Supreme Court. And apparently, according to sources, they are waiting for a formal complaint waiting for a formal complaint to lodge an FIR. That is what the sources are saying. So in fact, it has just happened and more details are awaited, Siddharth.
All right, more details are awaited. Many thanks, Harish, for filling us with these details. In the meantime, we'll see how the investigations now proceed. An attempt being made by one of the lawyers present in court to hurl a shoe at the Chief Justice of India. For the time being, we'll take a short break. We'll continue our coverage on the other side.